In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Selleramp subscription. We'll walk through the process from signing in to confirming the cancellation by email, and I'll share a few tips so nothing gets missed. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the official Selleramp website. On the home page, choose the option to log in, then enter your account credentials. Make sure you're on the genuine site and that the address bar shows a secure connection. If you can't remember your password, use the standard password reset link so you can sign in securely. Once you're in, locate your account area. This is typically found at the top right under your profile icon or name. Click there and open the section labeled Subscription, Billing, or Settings. The exact wording can vary slightly, especially between desktop and mobile views, but you're looking for the place where your plan and payment details live. Inside that section, find the card or link that references your current plan. It may appear as Manage Subscription or Subscription Details. Before moving on, take a moment to note your renewal date and current plan level. If you need receipts or invoices for your records, this is a good time to download them. Next, choose the option to cancel. Select Cancel Subscription, then review any information shown about when the cancellation takes effect. Some services end access immediately. Others keep your account active until the end of the billing period. Read the summary carefully so you know exactly what to expect. If you're asked for a short reason, pick the most accurate option and continue. When prompted, confirm the cancellation to finalize it. After confirming on the site, follow any additional on-screen prompts to complete the process. Then, open your email inbox and look for a cancellation confirmation from Selleramp. It may take a few minutes to arrive, and sometimes it lands in spam or promotions, so check there as well. Keep that message for your records. To double-check, return to the subscription or billing page in your account and refresh. You should see a status indicating that auto-renew is off or that the subscription is canceled. As a general best practice, cancel at least a day before your renewal date to avoid last-minute billing. That's it. You've successfully canceled your Selleramp subscription. If you ever change your mind, you can resubscribe from the same account area.